One of the things that I like most about the IB Global Conference is the opportunity to connect with other professionals that are doing things similar to us and to learn from them, to learn from their experiences, to hear their stories, and then go back to our context and share that and improve the work that we're doing for our students locally.
I would definitely recommend the IB Global Conference to other educators. This is an opportunity to not only collaborate and network with your colleagues from around the world, but there's some amazing sessions that are happening. There's so many to choose from at each time, so it's hard to kind of decide, but being able to learn from each other and learn with each other is an amazing opportunity.